Welcome to Car Wow 787, where we delve deep into the world of heavy-duty trucks and engines. Whether you're a seasoned trucker, an enthusiast, or someone curious about the mechanics behind these powerful machines, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Main content. Today, we're exploring two titans of the trucking world, the Detroit DD16 engine and the Peterbilt 389 semi-truck. Both are renowned for their performance, durability, and the roles they play in the transportation industry. Let's dive in. Detroit DD16 engine. The Detroit DD16 is the largest and most powerful engine in Detroit Diesel's lineup. With a displacement of 15.6 liters, this inline six-cylinder engine is designed for the most demanding heavy-duty applications. Power and torque. The DD16 delivers between 500 to 600 horsepower and an impressive torque range of 1,850 to 2,050 lb-ft. This immense power ensures that even the heaviest loads can be moved efficiently, making it ideal for long-haul trucking and heavy freight. Advanced technology. One of the standout features of the DD16 is its Amplified Common Rail System, ACRS. This next-generation fuel system optimizes combustion control, resulting in better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Additionally, the engine incorporates turbo compounding technology, which recovers heat from the exhaust and converts it into additional power. Durability and maintenance. The DD16 is built for longevity. With AB50 life of 1.2 million miles, it's engineered to withstand the rigors of the road. Maintenance intervals are extended, reducing downtime and keeping trucks on the move. Efficiency. Despite its size and power, the DD16 doesn't compromise on fuel efficiency. Its design ensures optimal fuel consumption, which is crucial given the rising fuel costs in the industry. Peterbilt 389 semi-truck. The Peterbilt 389 is an iconic figure in the trucking world, known for its classic design and modern performance. Design and aesthetics. The 389 boasts a long, low hood, the longest ever on a Peterbilt truck. Its distinctive wraparound crown, large triple-bar grille, and towering chrome exhaust stacks give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, drivers are treated to a luxurious cabin with rich materials and a layout designed for comfort during long hauls. Customization. One of the hallmarks of the 389 is its customization potential. Owners often personalize their trucks, from paint jobs to interior finishes, making each 389 unique. This culture of customization is a testament to the truck's popularity and the pride owners take in their vehicles. Performance. The 389 isn't just about looks. It's built to perform. Depending on the configuration, it can be equipped with engines delivering up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. This ensures that the truck can handle heavy loads with ease. Technology and safety. Modern iterations of the 389 come equipped with advanced safety features, including collision avoidance systems and reliable braking systems. These technologies enhance driver safety and contribute to the overall efficiency of operations. Comfort and amenities. For drivers spending extended periods on the road, comfort is paramount. The 389 offers various sleeper options, ranging from 44-inch to 78, each equipped with amenities like refrigerators, storage spaces, and entertainment systems. The spacious cabins ensure that drivers have a comfortable resting space during their journeys. Comparative analysis. When comparing the Detroit DD16 engine and the Peterbilt 389 semi-truck, it's essential to understand that one is an engine, and the other is a complete truck. However, the DD16 can be an integral part of a truck like the 389, depending on the configuration. Integration. The DD16 engine can be fitted into various truck models, including the Peterbilt 389, providing it with the power and efficiency that Detroit Diesel is known for. This combination results in a truck that not only looks impressive but also delivers top-tier performance. Performance synergy. Pairing the DD16 with the 389 ensures that the truck can handle heavy loads, steep inclines, and long distances without compromising on fuel efficiency or reliability. The engine's advanced technologies complement the 389's design and features, resulting in a harmonious blend of power and comfort. Maintenance and support. Both Detroit Diesel and Peterbilt have extensive service networks, ensuring that maintenance and support are readily available. This reduces downtime and ensures that trucks remain operational, which is crucial for businesses relying on timely delivery.